Alright guys, we're going to do a cold start of the go-kart like I said. Key switch on. And I think this is a Murry Explorer, if I have found the correct videos and names. 6 horsepower Techumseh Power Sport, heavily modified carburetor. Usually takes one pull, absolutely no priming. If you prime it, it will flood. And to show you, it is cold. Finger is on muffler. Haven't started it in about 4 days. See, it's all cold. Have not primed it. Nothing. Usually starts in one pull. How about that? And it will idle there all day long. Well, there you go. That's the cold start of the go-kart. Alright. More cold starts coming up next.